Have you ever dreamed of owning a piece of the city skyline? Maybe a bustling shopping mall, a sleek office building, or even a portfolio of apartment complexes. For most of us, the idea of buying commercial real estate feels completely out of reach. We're talking millions, right? Well, what if I told you there's a way to invest in these massive properties, earn regular income from them, and you don't need a fortune to get started? In fact, you can do it right from your phone or computer. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's a well-established investment vehicle called a REIT, which stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. Think of it like a mutual fund, but instead of stocks, it owns a collection of income-generating properties. When you buy a share of a REIT, you're essentially becoming a fractional owner of all the real estate in its portfolio. It's a game changer that opens up the world of high-end real estate to everyday investors like you and me. So, how does this all work? And more importantly, how do you make money? It's actually pretty simple. REITs primarily earn money by collecting rent from the tenants in their properties. Imagine a REIT that owns 100 apartment buildings. They own and operate physical properties. Within this category, you have specialized REITs for almost every sector you can imagine. There are residential REITs that own apartment buildings and single-family homes. There are retail REITs that own shopping centers and malls. Office REITs own office towers. Industrial REITs own warehouses and distribution centers, which have been booming thanks to e-commerce. With a single purchase, you can own a tiny slice of properties all over the country, or even the world. This diversification helps to spread out your risk. If one sector, like office buildings, is having a tough time, another sector, like industrial warehouses, might be doing great, balancing out your overall investment. Let's talk about the real benefits here. What makes REITs so attractive? First, as we've covered, it's the accessibility. They offer a low-cost entry into real estate investing. You can start with the price of a single share, which might be less than $100. Second is the passive income potential through those high dividend yields. That consistent cash flow is a huge draw for retirees, or anyone looking to supplement their income. Third, is diversification. Adding real estate to your investment portfolio, which might be mostly stocks and bonds, can lower your overall risk. Real estate often behaves differently from the stock market. Sometimes when stocks are down, real estate holds its value or even goes up, providing a nice balance. Fourth is professional management. You're not the one scouting for properties, negotiating leases, or handling maintenance. A team of experienced professionals is doing all the heavy lifting for you. And finally, there's the transparency. Because most REITs are publicly traded, they are regulated by the SEC and must provide detailed financial reports so you can see exactly how they're performing. Of course, no investment is without risk, and it's important to be aware of them. The value of REITs can go down, just like any stock. They can be sensitive to rising interest rates, which can make borrowing more expensive for them and potentially lower property values. Also, economic downturns can lead to higher vacancy rates and lower rental income. For example, during the 2020 pandemic, retail and office REITs faced significant challenges, while industrial and data center REITs thrived. This is why diversification, even within REITs, is so important. So, how do you choose a good REIT? First, look at its portfolio. Do you like the types of properties it owns and where they're located? Is it in a growing sector? Second, check its FFO or funds from operations. Do your own research, consider your financial goals, and you might find that REITs are the perfect fit for your investment strategy. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content on smart investing. Let me know in the comments if you've ever invested in REITs or if you have any questions. See you in the next video.